Morning students, myself Renu Rathi from Shri Rama Bharati Public School. As we all have started chapter number 3, so here we are going to start our exercise 3.1 today. We have discussed in the last class about the main important points of chapter number 3 and the relation between the ratios and the graphical representation and algebraical interpretation. We have done this in the last class. Today we are going to use all the formulas, all the concept practically. So here I have taken exercise 3.1 and I have written first question of this exercise. Aftar tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 times from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation graphically and algebraically. So first of all, let me tell you about the word problem of age question. Whenever the word problem of age questions will come in any chapter, what you have to do, you have to let the present age of the person that is given in the question. So here two persons are given, Aftab and his daughter. So what I will do, I will let their age. So first of all, we will write let the present age. Let the present age of Aftab. Present age of Aftab is equals to x. Let the present age of his daughter. Let the present age of his daughter. So we have already taken x here. So we will take one more variable, that is y, because our chapter is also pair of linear equation in two variables. So here I have taken x, here I have taken y. Now the first condition. What is the first condition? First condition is 7 years ago. So you just write 7 years ago. You have to calculate their age. Aftab's age. What will be his age is equals to 7 years ago. What will be your age? Your present age minus 7. So same for Aftab. The present age of Aftab is x. Now 7 years, before 7 years, x minus 7. And what about his daughter? His daughter's age, same condition that his daughter's age before 7 years, her age was y minus 7. According to the condition, what they have written, I was 7 times as old as you. Means Aftab was talking to his daughter and what he is saying, I means Aftab. Was means equal to. Was, will, shall, will, is, am, are. In maths we are taking these words as equal to sign. I was means equal to 7 times. 7 times means multiply, means one bracket. 7 times as old as you. You means his daughter. So 7 times as his daughter. Let me write their ages here. After x minus 7, his daughter 7 times y minus 7. So x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. I just have multiplied this 7 with both the numbers. X minus 7 minus 7y plus 49 is equal to 0. So x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. This is our equation number 1, that x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. Name it as equation number 1. Now second condition is also 3 years from now, means they are talking about the future. So after 3 years, Aftab's age, it will be x plus 3. His daughter's age will be y plus 3, because present age are x and y. Now according to the question, what they have written, I means aftab, shall means equal to, 3 times means 3 into age of his daughter. So let me put the values here, x plus 3, now 3 times y plus 3. So it will be x plus 3, 3y plus 9. X minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equals to 0. So x minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. This is equation number 2. So this is equation number 2, this is equation number 1. This is known as the algebraical representation. This is known as the algebraical representation because they have written represent this situation algebraically. They have not written solve this equation algebraically. Solve means we have to calculate the values of x and y. But in the question they have not asked about this. So this will be the answer of the first part, that this is a algebraical representation. Now next is, what about graphical representation? For graphical representation, what you have to do, you just have to plot the graph. Fine student, for graphical representation, we will take the question again because we need space to draw the graph. So for graphical representation, we have to plot the graph, we have to draw the graph. So how will we draw? First we will calculate any 2 points from this equation. How will we calculate? Put x is equals to, any multiple of 7. You can put any value of 7. I am feeling more comfortable with 7, that's why I have written here 7. Now when I will put 7 here, 7 minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. Then minus 7y plus 35 is equal to 0. Minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Y is equals to 5. So what is the value of y? It is 5. No. So put x is equals to 7 in this equation. 7 minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Minus 7y plus 42 minus 7 is plus 7 is 49. Then minus 7y is equal to minus 49. Y is equals to 7. So for plotting the line of this equation, we have to calculate at least 2 solutions. Second is, put x is equals to, let it be 42. Put x is equals to 42. Then 42 minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. Minus 7y plus 84 is equal to 0. Minus 7y minus 84. Then y is equal to 84 upon 7. They are 14. So we are having 2 solutions of this equation, and these solutions are x, y. When x is 7, y is also 7. When x is 42, y is 14. You can also take other values also. It will not affect the graph of your equation. Second is, x minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. So here what we will write, put x is equals to 3. Let me put x is equals to 3. Then 3 minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. Minus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y is equals to minus 1. Y will be minus 1. Next is, put x is equals to, again let me put x is equals to 42. Then 42 minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. Subtract this 6 from this number. Then it will be 42 minus 6. One is having plus sign, one is having minus sign. Then it will be 36. Minus 3y is equal to 0. Minus 3y is equal to minus 36. Y is equals to 12. So these are the values of this equation xy. When x is 3, y is minus 1. When x is equals to 42, y is 12. You can also take any other values of these also, but at least 2 values, at least 2 solutions you have calculated. In class 9th you have done these questions separately, like first question then second question. Here we are solving these all things in a one question only. This is the difference. So first we are going to plot this line. The least number is 7 and the highest number is 42. In y-axis 7 and 14. So on y-axis we can take the gap of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The next is 14 and the next is 16 and then 18. Here we have taken the gap of 2, 2. Now what about y-axis? Y-axis will be 42 and 7. So we will take the gap of 5, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You have to mention the scale also. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. So first point is 7, 7. When x is 7, somewhere here, y is also 7. Y is also 7. First line. The next is x is 42, y is 14. X is 42 and y is 14. Y will be 14. Clear, students? So what we are going to do, we are just going to join these 2 points by the help of scale. By the help of scale. Clear? Second point, x is equals to 3, y is equal to minus 1, 3, and it will be minus 2, so minus 1 will be somewhere here. So x 3, y minus 1. Next is 42 and 12. X is 42 and y is 12. The same point. So just join these 2 points also. Better to use scale. You have to join these 2 points also. Fine, students. So this is the graphical representation. From graphical representation we can also calculate the answer. And the lines are intersecting. So this intersecting point will be the answer. And the intersecting point is 42, 12. So this will be the answer, and this is graphical representation. Graphical representation. Fine, students. So this is all about the graphical representation. At that time when we have calculated these 2 equations, it was algebraical representation. Fine.